Hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gabby here today with 4 awesome fat-burning arm exercises that you're going to love. So let's get right into it. First up, we have a prayer press. I'm gonna give you 2 variations to do this. So arms, hands above your head in a prayer hands, and you're going to press up. All right, press up like this, really engaging those muscles, tension throughout, good posture, or you can go ahead and put it behind your head. So kind of fingers up towards the sky or fingers all the way down. But when you do that, you wanna make sure that you're not opening up your rib cage. So you're gonna tuck in your butt, tuck in your tummy, close your rib cage, and just focus on those arms. All right, posture is super important when we're working out to protect your spine. All right, if you don't know how to close your rib cage, no worries. Mare has a video on our YouTube channel explaining exactly how, all right? And 3, 2, 1, and release. Very good. Next, we have a front raise to kickback. All right, you can do this standing or with a little bend over. I like doing it with a little bend over so it works your back and your core a little bit more. 30 seconds on the clock. All right, so you're gonna go forward, front raise, and then you're going to kick back, so behind you. All right, that's where you're really gonna feel it in your triceps or bat wings, some people call them. All right, so up, all the way up, and then kick back. All right, you don't have to go all the way up like this. You can come up here, all right, if you're just standing, or go ahead and go all the way up. But make sure you're not shrugging your shoulders. Push those shoulders down, all right? Nice tight core, all right, straight back, very good, breathe. And 3, 2, 1, and release. Awesome job. Next, we have a Mare favorite, a monkey pump. All right, this is one of her signature arm moves. 30 seconds on the clock. We start at 90-degree angle. All right, we're going to close it in. So close, squeeze your chest muscles, come back to that 90-degree angle, shoulder press, and then back. All right, control. You're not coming down here. You're not stopping up here. 90 degrees, all right? Your triceps are parallel to the floor. Boom, all right? Remembering that posture. Breathing, chin up, nice elegant neck. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Here when you come in, you should feel it here in your chest muscles. And then up here, your shoulders. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, and release. Awesome job. Last but not least, we have a W rotation. All right, so arms come out like they were before, a little W. You can put your elbows a little bit closer to your body this time, and then you're gonna rotate. All right, palms go from facing forward to facing backwards, all right? But the thing here is not to move with your arms, all right? We're not kind of crouching in or going over when they rotate, all right? So making sure you stay nice and straight, all right? And just move those arms, okay? So instead of going like this, boom, all right? A little bend in the knee is gonna help. Just your arms, you're really gonna feel it. All right, making sure your chin is up. That's gonna help you stay upright. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, release and celebrate. Set 1, done and dusted. We're gonna go right into set 2, big breath. Prayer press in 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops.
And 3, 2, 1, release, shake it out, very good. Front raise to kick back, let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Shake it out, monkey pumps. Let's get it. And 3, 2, 1, and release. Shake it out, very good. W rotation, let's finish strong. And 3, 2, 1, release. Very good, 2 sets. Done and dusted, 1 more to go, big breath.
Subscribe now to see your next favorite workout.
And 3, 2, 1, release, shake it out, very good. Front raise to kick back, let's go. And 3, 2, 1, shake it out, monkey pumps. Let's get it. And 3, 2, 1, and release. Shake it out, very good. W rotation, let's finish strong. And 3, 2, 1, release. Alrighty, and there we have it, 3 sets of our 4 fat burning arm exercises. I hope you loved it. Let me know in the comments below which move was your favorite. What videos would you like to see more of? If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. All right, and let me know where you're from in the comments, and I hope to see you on the next one.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes, updated daily.